Today we are going to play with my little sister with Play-Doh. This Play-Doh is really soft. And we've got more Play-Dohs over there. Let's get started. To begin. We already got black because my sister was like crying. We got orange. We got yellow. We got light green. Okay, so I'll get you. First, and also, this Play-Doh is really hard to clean. That's why I just want to roll it. And that's why my sister playing with glue. Now I just want to cut it. Okay, yeah. Cut. Tube. Cut. That. Okay. I'm making nuggets. Oh. Ducky do it. No. Look at my nuggets. Yeah. Ooh. Yep. Oh, down it. I'm finished. Look at my nuggets, guys. Oh my god, look at these colors. I'm going to mix them. Wow, guys, look at this color. It's so pretty. No. And watch this, guys. I'm going to. Oh, yes. Watch this, guys. Cut. Duck. This is duck instead of cut. Duck. Oh. So cute. Hello. This book. Oh, that's very cool color. Joy. And that was a bad idea. No. Oh, no. We just dropped the yellow. Oh, Toys. We got the play back, and I'm so sorry that I just dropped it. Make sure you don't tell your mums or your dads because they'll get upset if they don't let you watch YouTube. They'll get really upset. Bye, guys. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Bye. Hi, guys. Today we are playing with Play-Doh again. With that video, I just played it lots of time. And my dad's doing it right now. He's recording. Hi guys, today we're playing again because I dropped the knife this time. And also I'm mixing colors. I'm mixing lava colors. Orange. 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 And then yellow. Nima. Oh no. Nima. Alpha. Yeah. I go cut my hair. That actually tickles. Okay, here we go. Oh, and my sister's over there watching television. Wait. And she's watching YouTube. And I just love playing with Play-Doh. I'm going to put powder on this. Nima, wait, what? Don't put Play-Doh inside the Play-Doh. Sausage done. I have it here. Let's make some colors. What about if I can use a little bit orange and a little bit of this color? Just this is done. Let's do it. Oh, it's starting to make brown. That's cool. We don't have a brown color. No. What about I mix this and this? I do it. Oh, that will make brown. Yeah. Oh, brownie. Oh, there you go. Oh, I want this color. Let's move these colors. Mimi. No. Mima. Oops. Stunk. And I'm making a soap. Oh, I need roll it quick. I almost wait, little baby. Nina, cause you green. Nina, cause you orange. Orange. Cause you yellow. Cause you blue. Blue. Cause you brown. Brown. Cause you purple. Yeah. Cause you purple. Like what's purple? Let's try mixing more colors. Maybe I should mix this blue and some orange. Oh, what's it gonna make? Sin. Yes, we all know what sin is, right? Okay, good. Next. Quick. I'm using that Lela. 5, 4. Brown. Look how you brown. Nice. I'm gonna make an. Can I use that star, please, Alex? Not right now. I'm using that. Okay. Finish. Oh, I have 4 stars right here for you, people. I'm gonna do chili gun. Look how cool this pen is, guys.
You're just gonna use this
Lela,
one.
why do you always make
Ta-da.
it look on me? Nima, Nima, Nima. Nima, Nima. Hi. Nima. Mimi. Ah, let's play it on my sleeve. Mimi. There we go. Mimi. No voice tricks. Mimi. Mimi. Done. Oh, done. Bye. Bye. Also, Nina Kaji, bye. 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 Nina Kaji, bye. 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 Bye.